Good morning, and thank you for tuning into the WRRD News. Today, I'm joined by a special guest, my daughter,
Harper.
Today is,
Monday, September 20th.
let's please pause for a minute of silence. Now, please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your chest.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
In Rolling Ridge news, meals can be picked up at Rolling Ridge every day between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Students, please remember that you can check out books from the library using the library Schoology page or stop by one of our book bus locations this week. Girls in grades 3 through 5, please sign up for Girls on the Run. This month is Hispanic Heritage Month. This week we will be sharing activities and recognizing members of the Hispanic community who have made contributions to our world. The weather today is expected to be
Sunny.
The high temperature will be
65.
and the low temperature will be
35.
So if you get out this morning, please remember to have a jacket. Today is Motivational Monday. My quote today is by Muhammad Ali. It says, "Don't count the days, make the days count." Today's question is from Jacob in Miss Gully's class. He asks, "What's your favorite game to play?" Harper, what's your favorite game to play?
My favorite game to play is life.
Oh, life is a good one. My favorite game to play is Operation. Kids, what's your favorite game to play? Now let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, Bully Free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye.
See you later.